Welcome viewers. In this video we are going to do modeling of transmission line tower using STAAD.Pro. In this we are going to do 400 kV single circuit horizontal configuration. This is stage 3 of 3. In this, member grouping, renumbering members, member properties size, member beta angle position, assigning truss member properties. So these are the major modeling requirement of any structures which we are going to see in this stage 3. So before going to watch this stage 3, we request you to watch our previous stage 1 and 2 videos which used to explain how to create the body, cage, boom, peak members and how to create the bracing members, the Excel calculation to create the nodes in STAAD. Also the schematic drawing of this 400 kV single circuit horizontal configuration tower. So those are explained in our stage 1 and 2. Also we had a separate video for design philosophy for transmission line towers. So all the 3 videos links are provided in the description. You can look into that before coming to this stage 3 of 3. Let's go to the STAAD model. This is the model we had developed in stage 1 and 2. Now we are going to do member grouping. So for member grouping, we can do like this in the picture showing in the right hand side. So the first 3 meter, up to first 3 meter, we can consider the leg number 1. So for that we need to select those members. Go to utilities, click group icon. So in that we need to define group. So we can mention as body leg 1 BL1. You can give any name. Click OK. Now click this associate. Similar like we need to select the next level. So while making the detail drawing, we need to do separation for this. Whereas the first main leg should come up to the middle part of the second main leg, which we are doing modeling in STAAD. Because that splicing we should do only after the first main leg, because that first main leg size is going to be very higher when compared to the second main leg, so it should come up to that level. So in the picture you can see up to second above 2 we need to select. This we can create as BL2, body leg 2. Select beam, click OK, associate. So likewise we need to do it for all the leg members. So similar like we need to select the leg member for gauge, click create. In that we can mention as a CL1 beam, click OK, click associate. For cage main leg, we can divide this as a one part, and this, that is a cantilever, the projection we can consider as one main leg, one type of main leg. And for mid face, these two we can consider as main leg, main leg grouping. So for that we can select it. So these are in the same main leg group. So this we can create as boom leg 1. Okay, for body we had created already, so it should be BO associate. So likewise we need to do it for middle arm also. So while doing the detailing up to this middle face, we can consider one main leg. Another one is this one, it is going to do as a splicing. Anyhow, while doing the STAAD design, both side we are going to consider the same section. So we can consider a group name as the same. So it is a BO2, click associate. So now we had created all the group. So for checking for that, we can select the group name, click highlight. So you can see in the model window. So we had created nearly 35 numbers of group. So this is a method of grouping the member. Next we will see renumbering of the member. For renumbering, you can press Ctrl A, press delete. So you can find out 488 number of beams are there. Cancel. Go to geometry, click renumber nodes, click renumber beam icon. Enter here number which is greater than 488, that is total number. Now we can start numbering based upon the group number. Click select, click group BL1, select, click geometry, renumber beams, start number with 1. So you can see there are 4 beams are renumber, and then select BL2, geometry, click renumber beams. So already we had assigned 4 number, now we have to start from 5. So 4 plus 5, it is 12. Now the BL3 should start as a renumber from number 13. So it is 12 number, 12 plus 12, it is 24. Then the BL4 should start from 25. So likewise we need to create the renumbering. So main purpose of this renumbering is to maintain a clear documentation, so that the member group will have a sequence of numbers. While taking the report, we can be able to find out which number or which sequence of number is to be followed for each individual group, so that we can be able to they identify which group member is failing, and it is possible for us to correct the member size in future once if it is a fail. So it is better to do this renumbering, or else we can skip this step. So once after completing this renumbering or skip this renumber step, we can go and do for member properties size. Click select menu, click group icon, and then select this group BL1. Click specification, click database icon. So here we can design this 400 kV transmission line tower in American standard, so that we can select USA, rolled steel, angle member. So we can add the angle number 120 by 16. So for next level, we can select the lower angle size. Say for example 100 by 100 by 16, and after that 100 by 100 by 12. $80 by 9. So likewise we need to add the member size which we can require to be add. After adding the required size to this list properties whole structure, we can close this. So now we can assign the first leg member to the bottom group. So select that and go to group BL1, assign. So for the next level also we can assign the same size. Then from BL4 we can assign different. So this is the procedure to assign sizes. So for all the bracing member we can select 70 by 70 by 7. So this is not available here. Click section database. From this American angle 70 by 7 we can select for all the main bracing member. Whether this is available, no, that section is not available, so we can select 60 by 6 for, or 80 by 80 for all the bracing member. And the tie member also we can select like this. Then for peak bracing and other minor bracing we can do 50 by 50 by 5. So we had assigned all the member section properties to the group members. To verify whether all the group members are assigned, we can click this view 3D modeling. So we can able to find out there is no member missed for member property assigning. So all the members are in brown color. So it means all members are assigned for group and member properties. Now next we can look into that beta angle properties, which we need to do it for angle members. So in this 3D view we can see all the body angle members are seems to be look perfect as per the GA drawing, but here this gauge angle member you can see it is projected outside this flanges. We need to adjust this. Go to modeling view. So this is a member which is not in that position. For better view we can click this right click and structure diagram full section, apply here. So we can able to see that angle rotation. So select this member, right click, select properties, and then change beta. Angle of rotation we can give as 45 degree. Click OK. So still there is no change in that. So we need to give in the range of 45 degree. Suppose we are giving 180. So we can change the color for better view. Right click structure diagram, click this beam default, click any good color which is showing that. Yes, this we need to change the beta angle. Instead of 45 degree we can consider 135. Let we see. So likewise we need to check which exact angle is making possibility of a good perspective view. So yes, so this is okay with the 120, 100, 225. Yes. So likewise we need to do it this beta angle for wherever there is a change in that. Here also it is somewhat changes. But changing this beta angle is not much important because this is a truss kind of structure where this is going to transfer only the axial forces. And in case of if suppose we are going to design for a bending moment resisting structures like building steel building, we need to consider this beta angle rotation because this will impact much in bending resistant structure or moment resisting structure. But in this case truss member it is not much impact this angle beta rotations, since all the forces which is going to transfer only in axial forces. So we can avoid this beta angle positioning in truss structures because it is time consuming activities. Then the next one is we are going to do trust member assigning. So for this we need to select a specification. In that beam, select truss, add. So we need to select the group. So we know that our bracing members are start from BX1. So we need to select the bracing members which are to be considered as truss member. So these are all the red color members. These are all the members which are highlighted in red color are the bracing members which we had selected. So these members are to be considered as truss. We must leave all the main leg members. So those are not act as a truss member. So after selecting this, click this assign tab and yes, so that all the bracing members are assigned as truss. So with this we had completed the modeling of 400 kV single circuit horizontal configuration tower. So we will meet in load calculation video in future. Thank you for watching. Look at description for more related video. Subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you.